Hey everyone, welcome back to part 2 of my cleaning quarantining. For today's video, it's going to be mainly the upstairs. I've got both of my kids' room. I'm not tackling the guest room quite yet. That one has a lot of stuff in there. If you guys are stuck at home and dealing with this craziness and trying to stay away from all of these stores, I would recommend, you tackle a closet that you haven't looked in a while or something like that, because it does kind of make you feel good. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. So this first room is Anthony's room. He's my middle child and he is kind of messy. I mean, I'm not gonna really call him out on his things, but he definitely, builds things up in here. I mean, I'm sure every kid does. I really like this desk that I got from, I think it was Costco maybe a few months ago, and it was only $79. It has a really cool plug on the back. I actually have the same one downstairs in my office, and I think it's really cool. So here is his room. Moving on to my older son's room. He's more clean, but I did see lots of, just junk in there. But overall, he's pretty clean on the surface. Don't really have to worry that much about him. Just wanted to show you guys these command strips that my sister got me. If you want to see her video, she did a Chanel review, and I will put the link in my description on her video. But basically these are command strips, and they actually work really good. They stay on, they don't come off, and they don't cause any paint to peel off. So yeah. He's into the lights, the LED lights that you put on the wall. We're just applying the command strips on the light so that it could stick a lot better, because we were using double-sided tape that was falling apart. And here is his room. All right, quickly moving on to the hallway closet. I have a lot of sheets and just a lot of junk that's in here, things that I've accumulated over the years. This is going to be like my new teacher's closet, where I have a lot of paper, pencils, scissors, school supplies, and stuff like that, along with, towels, and with cleaning supplies. This purple bin, I'm telling you, I think I've had things in there since 2010. And so I'm finally going through it. So when I talk about deep clean, I'm talking about deep cleaning. It's so crazy, the things that I saw in there. Here is what it looks like now. Nice and organized. Got my books and stuff for the boys to read. All right, and now I am moving on to the loft. So this was supposed to be my husband's man cave. This is just where we all migrate to. I really like this area. It's upstairs. It has a lot of light. There's, you know, lots of windows. We watch a lot of movies here. I really like the quality of the TV, and then we have a surround sound system also that's really good. Pretty expensive, but it's worth it. And then here's the table where we play cards, or if the boys do their homework. Here's my little baby's playpen where he sometimes takes a nap or he plays. I don't really have this room arranged the way I really want because we have to put things certain places. Pretty simple to clean. We are already cleanish type of people, so all we had to really do was just go over and then move all of the stuff that just gets added up. Oh goodness, little boy. Oh, I forgot to put his playmat back down there. Right now the loft is not really stage ready because we do have a little baby, so we have to block him from certain things so that he doesn't get into them. So it's a little difficult to kind of make it look nice to where we like, because I mean, come on. Really? Look at that. Oh, give me that remote. Yeah, so we have been coming in here a lot lately just because, you know, no school. But here is what the loft basically looks like. Everything is just wiped down, dusted, and frames are fixed. You know, we had to make the frames a little straighter. And so yeah, that's pretty much all. And I hope you guys enjoyed part 2 of our video. All right, so that was the end of my part 2 quarantine cleaning. I still have my lash room to go. I'll do a whole video on that because I'm just excited to do that because it's my lash room. And then I have a guest room that I might do separately. I don't know, it does kind of have a lot of things in there. So yeah, that was mainly all. I just want to say, in these times right now, you're stuck at home, be nice, stay positive, try to remain calm. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching my part 2 series, and stay tuned for my next video, which is going to be purchases that I made at night, because I'm always on the laptop at night, and I'm just on Amazon, and I've done so much shopping. There are things that I've bought for the house, so I thought I would make a video on things that I purchased during quarantine time. So that will be my next video. I think that one might be pretty interesting. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed watching my video. Please stay safe out there, keep sanitized and clean, and stay home if you possibly can so we can get through all this together. All right, well, thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for my next video. Bye-bye.